Welcome to GS Learning channel. Today I am going to tell you how to create password in Windows 10. Go to Control Panel app, click on Change Account Type. Next, click on Local Account Administrator. Next, click on Create a Password. Type in New Password. Type in same above password. Confirm new password. Next, click Create Password. So you can see here live also is there. You can search Control Panel. Go to Control Panel app. User accounts. Local account administrator. Create a password. New password, you can type whichever you want password. Same above, confirm new password. Then click on create password. Already password created, you can check it. Press your keyboard Windows L. System will lock the administrator. So you can type before whatever you are entered in password. You can check it. Even I think you will get good information in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Share and like my videos. All the best.